In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a OneDrive link. Let's get started by accessing Microsoft's home page. Head over to the Microsoft website, which is a hub for various products and services offered by Microsoft. Here, you can find everything from software updates to the latest technology innovations. Once you're on the Microsoft homepage, look towards the top right corner of the page, where you'll notice a sign-in option. Clicking this will lead to the login portal, which serves as your gateway to Microsoft's wide array of services. If you've already signed in, you can skip this part, but for those who haven't, let's proceed with the sign-in process. Begin by entering your Microsoft account credentials. Start by typing in your email address. This could be any email you've registered with Microsoft, including Outlook or even third-party email services, provided you've linked them to Microsoft in the past. After entering your email, click on Next to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your account's password. Make sure to input your password correctly. If you've forgotten it, don't worry, as Microsoft provides an easy way to reset it. Once you've entered your password, click Next once more. At this stage, Microsoft may ask if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal and secure device, selecting Yes can save you from signing in each time. However, if you're on a public or shared computer, it might be best to choose No for security reasons. After signing in successfully, you'll be taken back to the Microsoft homepage. Look for the option labeled All Microsoft to view all of Microsoft's products and services in one place. This is where you'll find OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service that lets you save your files and access them from any device, anywhere. Click on OneDrive, and you'll be directed to the OneDrive homepage. If you're not already signed into OneDrive, click on the Sign In button to access your OneDrive account. It uses the same Microsoft credentials, so there's no need to enter them again if you've signed into Microsoft already. Once you're in OneDrive, click Go to OneDrive Home, which will redirect you to your OneDrive dashboard showcasing all your stored files and folders. To find a specific file, navigate through your files or use the search bar. When you've located the file you want to share, hover over it to see various options. Here, you'll notice the three-dot icon, a universal symbol for more options. Clicking this will reveal a menu where you'll find the Share option. Selecting this option initiates the process to share your file with others. Upon clicking Share, you'll be presented with several sharing options. For this guide, we'll focus on generating a link to your file via the Copy Link option. This is a straightforward way to share access to your files with anyone, even those who don't have a Microsoft account. Click on Copy Link, and Microsoft will automatically generate a unique URL for your file. Once the link is generated, you only need to click the icon to copy it. This action copies the link to your clipboard, ready to be pasted and shared in an email message or anywhere you wish. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate Microsoft's website, sign into your account, access OneDrive, and share a file using a generated link. Remember, sharing files via OneDrive not only makes collaboration easy but also ensures that your files are secured in the cloud. You can access them anytime, from any device, without the need to carry physical storage devices.